Space Wars, Armstrong's Mars-Shattering views on trans athletes spark cosmic controversy. TLDR, cycling legend Lance Armstrong's viewpoint on transgender athletes stirs a cosmic storm. Armstrong's comments on a TV show called Stars on Mars strike a dissonant chord, triggering public disapproval. In the vast expanse of the interplanetary void, a celestial conflict is brewing. Not over Martian water rights or cosmic tariffs, but over remarks made by Lance Armstrong, the cycling legend, on the show Stars on Mars. Armstrong's opinions on transgender athletes have ricocheted off the wrong asteroids, with the backlash spreading faster than light. The ire of the universe, this time, descended upon Armstrong when his remarks about transgender athletes didn't sit well with many, including fellow show participants. One of them reportedly felt his words were disheartening. "Well, Armstrong, did you reckon that your stance could trigger an interplanetary controversy?" While it might seem like an extraterrestrial soap opera, this issue hits closer to home for many, especially for those advocating for more inclusivity in sports. Armstrong's words have become an unwanted cosmic dust storm, obscuring the path for many trying to make their mark in athletics, irrespective of their gender identity. The earthling in question, Armstrong, has yet to issue any public comment regarding the growing controversy. It seems the former cyclist is cycling away from addressing the topic, at least for now. We're all waiting, aren't we? On the other hand, his co-stars have not hesitated to air their sentiments. A pair of his fellow stars on Mars aren't taking his comments lightly, fueling a debate that has transcended our pale blue dot to reach the red planet. Could this spark a conversation about representation and acceptance in the sporting world, even if it's set against the backdrop of Mars? In the midst of this, it's crucial to acknowledge the role of media, like Stars on Mars, in shaping public opinion. As spectators of this celestial saga, one can't help but wonder if this controversy could have been avoided had Armstrong chosen his words more carefully. But then, would it have made as many headlines? Yet, as the red dust settles, we're left to ponder what this means for the sports world. Armstrong's Martian musings have opened a Pandora's box, leaving us with many questions. Will this incident encourage more sports figures to share their views on such sensitive issues? Or will it discourage them, leading to an eerie silence? As we stare into the Martian sunset, we must remember to always keep the conversation going. Igniting a debate might feel like stepping onto a Martian landmine, but it's these conversations that keep society evolving, both on Earth and beyond. So, here's our question for you, dear reader. Is it about time that we truly take the conversation about transgender rights in sports to a universal level? Or should these talks remain earthbound? Are you ready to take this leap? Disclaimer: this article does not provide advice or recommendations. The information and opinions expressed herein are for informational purposes only and are not intended to constitute legal, investment or health advice. It is recommended to seek professional advice before making any decision.